I'm offering a free Chrome extension that automatically lists in your eBay store. Basically, what I'm going to show you is how to list an item on your eBay store that would sell. So I'll make $3.30 on a $21 item. That's actually pretty good. That's more like 15%. I personally don't like that. I would not list that item because if you get hit with sales tax, that's going to take over all your profit. So I personally would not list that item. All right, what's up guys? Marc Augustine here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to snipe an item with my free lister. So what is sniping? Basically, what I'm going to show you is how to list an item on your eBay store that would sell. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me jump into my computer and show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you've missed it, I'm offering a free Chrome extension that automatically lists in your eBay store. You need to go to marcaugustine.com, simply download the Chrome extension, and this is what you're going to get. There's some options for ebay.com, eBay Canada, eBay UK, Australia, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, the Netherlands. I'm in the eBay US. Automatic listing on, zero protection on, price undercut by $1, and all those stuff. I'll put a link to 3 previous videos that I did, how to download it, the settings, how to install, and so on. But go to marcaugustine.com and download it. So I'm on ebay.com. I go to advanced search. Now I'm building a seller's list. Now, if you want to know how to build a seller's list, I'll make a separate video and post that if that's something you want to learn. So if you want to learn how to build a seller's list, comment on the video, build a seller's list. So I'm going on advanced search. How I found this seller is I went to Amazon, I found an item on Amazon, and then I found on eBay. And then I realized that the guy is drop shipping from Amazon, and I added him on my seller's list. But that is what I did to get the seller that I'm going to search for right now. So I go to advanced search, I hit sold items, then you scroll down, and this is on eBay, right? Then under sellers, I'm putting my seller here, and then I hit search. So all of these items are items that this guy sold. If you realize the price is in green and it's sold. Now, today is February 10th, so I want to snipe items in order to list items that I pretty much know are going to sell. I'm only going to take the items. This guy has over 2,000 items that sold in the past, I don't know, maybe 90 days, but it's 2,000 items that sold, right? And I only want the items that sold in the past week. So if you notice February 9th, I'm scrolling down. So I have a lot of items to snipe from this one seller. So how do I snipe the item? So I go to this first one, open it in a new window. So I don't know yet where this item is coming from, but I know he sold it for $22.64, right? And then he sold 5. So that's actually a good thing. Not only did it yesterday, but 5 are sold. So eBay ranks it as a popular item. So if I could find this exact item and still make a profit, I'm going to list it because it sold a lot of times and it sold recently. It sold yesterday. So I'm just going to search Google for this item. So I'm going to go on Amazon. Let's get the actual name of this thing. Take a note of the picture, calming formula, clean condition. Let's see if we could find this item on Amazon. Right, this looks like the same thing. Yes, it is $15.28. So let's see. I'm going for free eBay calculator because I'm showing you guys how to do this without any paid software. So like and subscribe. So the sold price. So the item cost is $15.28 on Amazon, right? And then let's say I have a basic store and the competitor is selling it for $22.64. So let's say I sell it for $21.97. I lower the price. Let's see how much money I make. So I'll make $3.30 on a $21 item. That's actually pretty good. That's more than 10%. That's more like 15%. So now that I have the price $21.97, I'm going back to the eBay listing. And if you notice, this button lists the eBay. This is not an eBay button. This is a button that comes from my Chrome extension. So custom price optional, $21.97, and hit list to eBay. And the Chrome extension is now listing the actual item. So while it lists, I'll go back to the guy's page again and see what else he sold, see if I could find something that this sold once, but it sold yesterday. I don't know if it's drop shipped from Amazon, but I suspect that it is. So let's go to Amazon because we found one item that gentleman drop shipped. So these are the white ones. He has the black ones. Right. This is 47 bucks on Amazon. He's selling for 58.97. No, it's 47 here. 58.97. If he sells it, let's say I sell it for 57.97. I'd make $2.69. I personally don't like that. I would not list that item because if you get hit with sales tax, that's going to take over all your profit. So I personally would not list that item. So the first one I would have listed, the second one I would not, right? Let's just check this third one. And guys, these are items that you could actually drop ship, right? We found one so far. You have the seller, you could put it on you can steal the seller from me. You can download the free Chrome extension at marcaugustine.com. Find all this gentleman's items that are selling and list it for yourself. And the free lister saves you a lot of time by automatically listing. Right, so let's see how much this costs. $16.99. That's a good margin. $16.99, $24.59. $16.99, $24. Let's say I sell for $23.97. I'll make $3.32 on a $23 item. That's more than 10%. I would definitely list that item. So I'll come back to this page, put my custom price $23.97, and then let the Chrome extension do the work. So I'm coming out with a free, if you notice, it's still listing this previous item. So it's doing the work while I find more items. All right, guys. So that's 2 items listed in a relatively short space of time. Like the video, subscribe. If you want to learn, I'll do a follow-up video how to show you how to build a sellers list so you can continue snipe these sellers. You have a free eBay Chrome extension in the link in the description. If you want any sort of automation, that comes with Ecom Sniper. If you have the money to invest, that's $97 for the first month. That's a link in the description as well. But the purpose of this video is just to show you guys how to snipe an item from another eBay dropshipper using a free eBay Chrome extension. That's 2. Like, subscribe. Follow me, ask me any questions in the comment section, look in the description for the free resources. Peace.